So we're at Mason-Dixon and we've never raced here before. We ran Rob's, our .90 series race yesterday, and I mean, all in all, it wasn't too bad. Like, the first pass I came out, I was 007, 1094, and then the second time shot, I was 004, 89 too. So I was like right there. Went in the first round, I was 002, dead 7, and second round I was 20 and I went 87.5. So I lifted, but I just didn't lift enough. We had this like tailwind that I think kind of made me a little bit faster and just pushed me, and I should have drove stripe a little bit better. But yeah, so coming into Sunday we have one time shot and then go. But yeah, that's our first time at Mesa-Dixon. It's a nice track. It's really smooth. Just trying to get used to it because we've never been here before, so just trying to figure some stuff out with it. But yeah, so we'll keep you in the loop for today, Sunday. Sorry I didn't do like the round by round recaps. They run us kind of fast because they kept the program moving, and yeah, so we'll see how today goes. But fingers crossed it's a better day and we can get into at least third round this time. But yeah, thanks for following along.
That's where we are. Couple of New Jersey ice ready to get to it.
can't tell by the bun. I went to the left lane and I was 002, 1089.3. I saw everybody was going in 88. So at the last second, I put one more in, and I knew I should have put one more in, and had that too, but it's all right. So getting ready for round 1 soon, and we'll keep it up. Round 1, and it went well. I was in the left lane. I went 004 and I couldn't find him, so I pedaled it a little bit, hit the brakes. I was at 1091.6, so 20 total. So things are going well. Let's just keep this momentum for second round, because I have a second round curse. So we're gonna try to break the curse today. But yeah, just happy to have won first round both days, and we'll keep you in the loop for round 2.
Into a win with a 1092, with a 9 to a 1091, with an 8. And
so my second round curse lives on. I was 28. I didn't think I was 28. It's 28. I heard it like break up a little bit in second, and I'm like, I should stay in it. And then I saw him like start to pull me in, and I saw him like start to fall back, and I'm like, okay, well maybe I am going a little bit faster. So pedaled it a little bit. He got around me by 001. So 15, 10 thou at the stripe. He had me on the straight. He was 16, I think. But yeah, I just can't do anything right, because like I have a second round curse. I race well, and it's just not good enough. So try again next week at New Media, and hopefully break the second round curse this time. But it's getting pretty rough to lose second round. Like, every race. Kind of stinks. So stay tuned for new media, and we'll see you in a few days.